How to edit text in Bluebeam. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com and from in there, click on this Get Started option in order to create an account. You can also click on this Try It Free in order to sign up for a 14 days free trial. So you can also have the option to buy the software directly by clicking onto this Buy Now. You can also click on this Login option, click on this Bluebeam, and log in if you already have access. So onto this case, I already have access and I've already downloaded the application and here is what it looks like. I have opened right here this particular document. Now to edit the text, you just need to actually head over and then just edit the markup tool that has been added or allocated to this. If you have a markup, you can click on this text box and you can proceed to insert a text box directly right here if you would want. And we have right here this particular text box, and people can actually add things right here, like type in here some pages. Now, if there's a text box right here, you can proceed to edit the text. You can click on this in order to edit what has been inputted, change right here what has been added directly, and also you have the option to change its appearance, such as its colors, and also everything that's actually constituted into this part. Also change the fill color, the opacity of this, fill opacity as well as the style applicable, the shape, the font size that's been added, alignment, as well as other options such as layouts, like how big it would be, as well as the style that's been added to the font right there. So let's change that and here is what it looks like directly once it's been formatted. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.